Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all of us, no matter our age, how to keep our minds sharp and vibrant as the years go by. It's something we all think about, right? How can we maintain our cognitive vitality and enjoy a clear, focused mind for decades to come? The good news is that the key might just be hiding in your kitchen. We're going to explore some of the most powerful foods that can help support our aging minds. And we're starting with a true superstar of brain health. So, let's talk about unlocking the full potential of your brain. As we age, it's natural for our cognitive functions to change. Maybe you've noticed it's a bit harder to recall a name, or you find yourself misplacing your keys more often. While some of this is a normal part of life, there's so much we can do through diet to support our brain structure and function. It's not about finding a magic pill, but about making consistent, smart choices that nourish our most important organ. Today, we're focusing on one of the most well-researched and effective brain-boosting foods out there, fatty fish. When we say fatty fish, what comes to mind? For many, it's the delicious and versatile salmon, but this category also includes other fantastic options like mackerel, herring, sardines, and trout. What makes these fish so special? It's their incredibly high content of a specific type of fat called omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about omega-3s before, but let's really break down why they are absolutely essential for our brains, especially as we get older. Think of omega-3s as the foundational building blocks for a healthy brain. Our brains are surprisingly fatty. In fact, about 60% of the dry weight of your brain is fat, and a significant portion of that fat is made up of omega-3s, particularly one called DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. This is why getting enough omega-3s from our diet is non-negotiable for cognitive health. They are literally what our brain cells are made of. Specifically, omega-3 fatty acids are a crucial component of our brain cell membranes. Imagine each brain cell, or neuron, is like a tiny house. The cell membrane is the walls, doors, and windows of that house. Now, you want those walls and doors to be flexible and efficient, right? You want signals to pass in and out smoothly. That's exactly what omega-3s do. They enhance what's called membrane fluidity. A fluid, flexible membrane allows for better communication between neurons. Think of it like upgrading from a slow dial-up internet connection to super-fast fiber optics. The messages, or nerve signals, can travel more quickly and efficiently. This improved communication is the basis for everything your brain does, from learning new things to remembering cherished moments. So how does this translate into real-world benefits? Let's talk about memory. One of the most significant benefits of a diet rich in omega-3s is a noticeable boost in memory and learning. Research has shown that these fatty acids are vital for the process of forming new memories and recalling old ones. They help strengthen the connections or synapses between neurons. The stronger these connections are, the more robust your memory network becomes. This means it can be easier to learn a new skill, remember appointments, or recall the details of a story you just read. But it doesn't stop at memory. Omega-3s also play a massive role in our ability to focus and maintain attention. In our world of constant distractions, the ability to concentrate is a superpower. By improving neuronal communication, omega-3s can help reduce mental fog and enhance your clarity of thought, allowing you to stay on task for longer periods. If you've ever felt like your brain is running a dozen different programs at once, and you can't seem to focus on any of them, increasing your omega-3 intake could help bring a sense of calm and order to your thoughts. And there's another incredible benefit that we often overlook when talking about brain health: mood. Our cognitive vitality isn't just about intellect, it's also about our emotional well-being. Omega-3s have been linked to improved mood and a lower risk of depressive symptoms. They have anti-inflammatory properties, and chronic inflammation in the brain is increasingly being linked to mood disorders. By helping to regulate inflammation and supporting neurotransmitter function, the brain's chemical messengers like serotonin and dopamine, omega-3s can contribute to a more stable and positive emotional state. So, how can you get more of these brain-boosting fats into your diet? The American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, A serving is about 3.5 ounces cooked, or about 3 to 4 of a cup of flaked fish. Grilling, baking, or broiling salmon is a fantastic and simple way to prepare it. You can flake it over a salad, serve it with roasted vegetables, or even make delicious salmon patties. If you're not a fan of salmon, try canned sardines. They are an affordable and convenient powerhouse of omega-3s. You can mash them with a little lemon juice and olive oil and spread them on whole grain toast. Now, what if you don't eat fish? There are plant-based sources of a different type of omega-3 called ALA, found in foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds. Your body can convert ALA into the more brain-beneficial DHA and EPA, but the conversion process is not very efficient. So if you follow a plant-based diet, it might be worth considering an algae-based omega-3 supplement. Algae is actually where fish get their omega-3s from in the first place, so it's a direct and effective source. Incorporating these foods isn't just a short-term fix. It's a long-term investment in your future self. By nourishing your brain today with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive, you are laying the groundwork for a future filled with clarity, engagement, and cognitive vitality. It's about empowering yourself to live your fullest life, with a mind that's as healthy and active as your body. Remember, it's the small, consistent changes that add up to make the biggest difference over time. Starting with just 1 or 2 servings of fatty fish a week is an achievable goal that can have a profound impact. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the incredible connection between food and our brain health. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. What are your favorite ways to enjoy fatty fish or other brain-boosting foods? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about living a healthier, more vibrant life, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.